ready to be on TV?
No.
Alice and Victoria can't seem to give away a free makeover.
Can I approach you?
No, not me.
Sinks.
What kind of sink?
There's no bathroom.
Bathrooms. Nobody wants a free kitchen.
But whoever falls for this sleeping beauty is going to get hooked up with a massive modern kitchen, tricked out with a 4-foot sink, dropped into an island with tucked seating, hardwood floors, basket weave Calcutta backsplash, paintable wallpaper, and a handmade table with a sunken galvanized steel ice trough.
Well, I just had my kitchen done a couple of years ago.
Oh, I was giving away free kitchen.
Oh, crap.
I know. Bathroom sinks are that way. I'm looking for a nasty kitchen.
Designer contractor Alice and Victoria is cooking up a surprise.
We're just trying to crash some kitchens.
Looking for people with crappy kitchens and a sense of adventure.
Can I give you my number?
They don't know it, but she's about to transform their kitchens from outdated to outrageous.
Amazing!
This is Kitchen Crashers.
Hi, sir. Hi, miss. Peekaboo. You look beautiful today.
Well, so do you.
Look at a cute little body on you.
Oh, thank you.
Whoa, hot mama. Where are you guys going?
Oh, boy.
So you don't need anything with the kitchen? Do you need anything for the kitchen?
No, we don't.
Do they give you coffee here?
Oh, yeah.
They've never offered me coffee. What do you do for work?
I'm a bookkeeper.
I need one of those. I've got tons of books at home.
I'm looking for things to put into my new kitchen.
So you don't need my help?
No.
That stinks. Oh, God. You're really pushing that booty back.
That's an exercise.
Yeah. Well, you're obviously handy enough. You guys are doing some things yourselves.
We're trying to.
Try to.
Is it a new house?
Bought it a year ago,
Okay.
so it's a fixer-upper, so we've been fixing it up ever since.
Who are you?
I'm Allison. I find couples that have horrible kitchens, and we give you a brand new kitchen in 3 days.
How much?
What's the catch?
There's no catch. What I need from you guys is like hard work.
That means you won't ride my back.
Now you won't give him crap.
I
what
do
you
a
do?
lot of that.
So tell me about the kitchen.
Laminate cabinets.
Yeah.
The dishwasher starts by itself sometimes. There's no storage, even though there's a lot of space.
So the layout's kind of bad.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bad, really bad.
I have fantasies of taking a sledgehammer to my kitchen.
See, this is good. Any woman that wants a sledgehammer and wants to destroy their kitchen is good by me. Would you let me at least come home with you today and check it out? I've seen a lot of nasty kitchens, so yours can't be that bad.
This one is bad.
All
right.
We'll give it a
Will
try.
you guys meet me out front, and I'm going home.
Very good.
With
Thank
you.
you so much for that.
Yes. All right, bye. All right, guys, you wait until you see me behind you, and I'm coming home with you.
Kitchen, 3 days, hell yeah.
I like this girl. She's real feisty. Okay, guys, let me see this kitchen after you.
Okay.
Oh, and the white tiles everywhere. Oh my God.
Welcome to the 1980s.
Yeah.
This is so sterile.
And there's so much wasted space. There's no flow in the kitchen. The cooktop is there. I have to go there, and then I have to come back. And
Yeah,
yes,
it's very weird. Appliances are dated. I mean, the cooktop is a cooktop.
This is
Not connected. They're really inexpensive cabinets.
They're the same cabinets we have in our laundry downstairs.
There you go. Where do you guys eat?
My boys sit here, my husband
And the little one
I end up
there.
having to, and the little one over there, and I end up having to eat it, while standing.
Really not very user-friendly for a family.
No.
Okay, now what would you like to see?
I would love a little bit of color.
Natural stone for countertops.
Warm cabinets. Anything would be better than what we have
Wow
now.
us.
I will surprise you and I will wow you. Celebrate, because when I come back, we're gonna crash. Okay.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Good couple, good kitchen, good crash. Woo, Lord! Good morning! You're really excited. You should be excited because you're getting a sick kitchen. I got Mike with CCR, I got his boys. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's go crash your kitchen. Head inside. Are you ready to see your new space?
We are.
All right, here's your new kitchen.
Wow.
Wow.
Where's this all gonna go?
That kitchen is moving to this side.
Okay.
So we're swapping spaces.
Allison's design starts with a walk-around island with a 4-foot undermount sink and dishwasher to keep everything within reach.
Awesome.
Deep chocolate oak flooring replaces the cold tile, while floating shelves add depth to the new dining area.
I love it.
Yeah? I mean, you are in this kitchen all the time.
I am.
All new cabinets and stainless appliances symmetrically frame the room's focal point, which features a glass hood and Calcutta marble backsplash.
Beautiful.
All right, well, you're gonna make this table. It's gonna be this really cool trough table, so you can actually put stuff in the middle here.
I love it.
Slick brass lighting, new furniture, and pops of color bring a stylish dash of warmth to this huge new kitchen.
I can't wait.
I know. So you're happy?
I am thrilled.
Good. Well, you better get ready to work.
I'm ready.
We're ready.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we gotta demo this space, so start clearing stuff out and let's get going.
All right.
You're married to her. Do you trust her?
Hello, sexy.
Daniela is a beast. Yeah! She's kind of like me. She's like a man trapped in a woman's body, but with longer legs.
I can see that he's very powerful. I have never seen that side of him before.
Honestly, sometimes when I tell homeowners, like, just go nuts, they're like, "Eh." And you destroyed your kitchen.
Coming up, Daniela's caught off guard by the cabinets,
Gray.
Yes.
but she's blown away by the power tools. Allison hit up the store looking for her next big project and found one couple really getting into home improvement.
You're really pushing that booty back.
That's his exercise.
Their kitchen was a flashback to another time.
Welcome to the 1980s.
So Allison came back with a plan to gut it down to the floor. Now they're bringing this kitchen into the 21st century. The crew replaces drywall and wires up new can lighting as Marcus clears out the rubble of his old tile. And Allison grabs Daniela to start on the trough dining table.
We're covering this with wood. These planks right here are gonna become your table.
Sounds like a plan.
You and I are gonna go over here and we're gonna rip this down to like 4 inches. So this is set. And then when you feed it, you stay away from that blade.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so now we've got our last piece. So we're attaching these to this subtop.
Okay.
But we're gonna use a biscuit joiner.
More power tools.
Yes.
They mark the biscuit holes 12 inches on center, then they're ready to cut.
I wanna show you how easy this is. You see this red?
I do.
Line it up, tight, flat, push your hand into it, go. Yep, trigger. Nice. All right, take your little biscuits. I'm gonna give you a little bit of glue.
Inside. Okay.
And throw that in. We'll just do like an assembly line. Very good.
Anybody who's going to walk into my kitchen, I will tell them, I built that, and that is cool.
Once we get this thing locked in place, tomorrow is when we come in and really finish it off.
Finish it up. Oh.
Next, Allison is hoping to impress Marcus and Daniela with the day's first reveal.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is free.
This is your new cabinet.
Gray.
Yes.
The color especially is not something that I was expecting, but I think all of it is going to come together in a way that nobody else will have a kitchen like mine.
Wow.
Wow.
Imagine this, putting all your pots and pans in here. No more digging. Now you've got these humongous drawers, soft close.
So close.
Yeah. I like it.
Come on, guys.
Allison's next surprise will surely complement the gray cabinets.
All right, so here's your new floor.
Oh my God.
I love the
Isn't it
color.
beautiful?
It's so rich and beautiful.
So this is gonna play very nicely with that gray.
Very good.
Well, guess what, my dear? You get to install it with Mike. Mike, come here, buddy. You guys are doing flooring. You and I are doing wallpaper, lady stuff.
Oh.
And we'll be back to check on you.
All right, I'll leave a little gap on the wall. Yep, we're gonna nail it down. Just push it down first and then pull the trigger. There you go. And about every 12 inches, we'll put a nail.
Mike and Daniela keep working on the floor, And Allison and Marcus get on wallpaper duty in the new dining area.
Wallpaper. Did you ever think you'd be doing it?
No.
Yeah. It's a textured wallpaper, okay? You paint it, give it a little bit of color. You ever hung wallpaper?
I have not.
Slap on some glue. Okay, now you're gonna hold that.
So how do you make sure that it's even?
You just kind of wing it. Okay, so now we're just gonna come down. And this is gonna give us that nice, clean look. And then we'll cut out this outlet. We'll get as close in as we can. There we go. Isn't that great?
It is. It is.
All right, hey, Daniela, Mike, come on in. How's she doing?
Good. Yeah. Excellent.
Yeah, I believe him. Usually I don't believe him, but that's good. You guys get back to the floor. We'll help you if we finish this first. You help, but you're not finishing first, so just go.
Overnight, the crew got cabinets in and most of the flooring down and covered. Now it's the morning of day 2, and this place is starting to look a lot like a kitchen.
Good morning. Good morning. It looks bigger than it did before with all the crap in here.
Yeah, indeed. When you told us that you were flipping the kitchen, we couldn't quite visualize it.
Yeah.
But wow, what a difference it made.
Loving this island. Can you now visualize yourself?
I actually can.
We've got a ton of stuff going on though today, okay? I want to show you this sink because it's pretty cool.
Okay.
Come on, guys. I've never been this excited to show someone a sink.
Oh my God.
Wow.
You can be chopping things up. Then you've got that one there for the strainer or the bowl. So now you've got this trough sink. So this is gonna kind of go with that trough feel of the table that we're making.
Sure.
But let's go, you and I work on our table and you go back in and help Mike. Okay. All right, cool, come on.
Back inside, the crew trims out the oak flooring as Allison and Daniela get back to the table.
We are gonna pull back in that trough look in this table. So this is for you.
Wow.
Galvanized steel. This is where everybody's beverages are.
Sure.
I just think it's gonna be a really cool focal point.
I can hold a lot of beers on this
I
table.
know you can. Well, now we have to do our cut. We're gonna do what's called a plunge cut. So we've got our cut out here. You gotta get ready to muscle up. You're gonna expose the blade. You just kind of find your line. Whew. Do you feel okay about it?
Yeah. Being able to tell my friends that I actually made that table, you can beat that.
That was amazing. All right, let's set this up and get the other side.
Once the plunge cuts are done, they square off the corners with a jigsaw.
Woo. Fits. Check that out.
I like it.
We have to put all the edge banding on it.
Okay.
So we make this thing look perfect.
For that, they need the chop saw.
So we've got same material, again, because we want this to look like a solid piece. Hand here.
Hand
Nice
here.
and
I got
tight.
it.
Go. You're all good.
They glue on the edge trim and pin it in place while it dries.
The minute you trigger, it just blows your hair just whoop, like a model. You're walking down the runway, it's your first fashion show. Sexy.
That was awesome.
Sexy face. Oh.
Up next, a groutless backsplash.
It's Calcutta marble, which is one of my favorite marbles.
And Marcus wants his knife block built right.
You also didn't want it to come off the table.
Holy shit.
Take a crash course, see the crash of the week, and tell us why your town should be crashed. It's all on the Crashers section at hgtv.com/crashers. This crash is knee-deep into day 2 as the crew adds hardware to the cabinet doors and frames a soffit in the dining area. But Allison's got some questions for Marcus.
Do you cook?
Of course.
Do you like knives?
I love knives.
Good, because we're making a knife holder.
Awesome.
We're gonna build this box, and all of these little sticks go right into it, so you can store all of your knives wherever you want.
That is nice.
First, they cut the 2 sides at a 25-degree angle.
Voila! One side. Okay, cool. All right, so we've got our pieces now. We need to assemble it. Sides, our bottom, we've got to glue and we've got to nail. Trust.
Yes.
Oh, you're making sure this isn't going anywhere. You also didn't want it to come off the table.
Holy shit. All of them.
Okay, make sure you're going straight in it. Look at you. Good to go.
The guys move forward in the kitchen, setting the new stainless fridge and wiring switches for the lights. Out front, Allison has yet another surprise.
It's backsplash time. You ready?
We're ready. Oh my gosh.
It's Calcutta marble, which is one of my favorite marbles.
It almost makes you want to go touch it. We love it.
And you know, you are going to be installing it. So go find Mike.
Okay.
And he will teach you how to put it up.
Perfect.
Got it?
All right.
All right, cool.
All right, Marcus, ready to go?
Yeah, let's do this.
We're gonna start putting the glue on the wall. Scoop some of that out, and then you wanna use the tooth side. You can stay down a little bit. There you go. So we're gonna just set it on this backsplash here, apply some pressure on it all the way around, and just kind of seat it in place. The good thing about this tile is it doesn't have to be grouted.
Oh, Mike, this is nice. I like this.
Go ahead and set our next piece in place. All right, looks good.
As Daniela finishes her tabletop with a dark walnut stain, the crew preps the kitchen island's quartz countertop. But Allison's ready to call it a day.
Look at your kitchen. I know the cabinets were freaking you out a little bit, but now that things are kind of coming together, is it better?
Absolutely.
You guys are good. There's no homework tonight. Tomorrow's a big day, okay? You're gonna finish up the backsplash,
Right.
finish the trim, because that trim goes all the way up.
Right.
Okay, good night, guys. Bye.
The final day kicks off strong when the crew adds hardware to the cabinets, installs the massive sink and faucet, and hangs the slick new glass hood above the stove area.
Good morning. Good morning. The backsplash looks, honestly, the first thing I see when I walk in, boom, is this. You got the hood up, so you get to see that. We've got to paint our wallpaper. We have to finish our knife block. All right, you guys come with me. I want to show you your appliances. We'll get out of your hair.
All right.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Okay, so here's what goes in that big hole in your kitchen.
Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I love it. So this is the microwave?
Yeah.
And that is the oven.
That's the oven. I mean, this thing's pretty cool.
Wow.
This is all you get to see. I'm not showing you the cooktop. You have to be surprised at something.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Good. I like that you like it, though. Yeah. I like it.
Very good.
As the crew installs a huge 5-burner gas cooktop and adds a stainless dishwasher with an easy reach of the sink, Allison and Marcus are ready to finish the knife block.
You and I have to cut 5 billion skewers.
Okay.
I want to make it to where this point is totally flush.
They measure the block for depth,
Grab that tape for me.
Okay.
then wrap the skewers with electrical tape to bind them for the cut.
Tape and go. Here we go. Take off just a little piece. All right, nice and tight, and just go as fast as you can. Oh! Like that. Look at that.
That looks nice.
Cool, right? Now we have to paint it. You can take this roller and just start going on the sides there. So I'm gonna leave you to paint this.
Okay.
You got this?
Yes.
Very good.